Introduce yourself for our reader. Tell something about your Indian Mental Health Summit you attended. How was your experience?
Hi, I'm Nehal Parekh and I'm the COO at Arpan NGO. We work on the issue of child sexual abuse prevention and intervention. It's been a wonderful experience this morning being a part of the Indian Mental Health Summit here. I've met some wonderful people working in the field of mental health and child protection. It's a great opportunity to network and I really appreciate this opportunity. Thank you.
What was the topic and how you counsel the audience?
The topic that I came here to talk about was how do you empower parents and teachers to have conversations around personal safety and around taboo topics like sex. One thing that I would really like to encourage is start these conversations simple, use age-appropriate resources. For all the parents and teachers and counselors out there, Arpan over the last 19 years has worked extensively with children and parents and teachers in this area, and we have a lot of age appropriate resources that are very easily accessible in English, Hindi and Marathi on our Arpan eLearn platform. So please do go and visit the site and access these resources and start these very, very important conversations. Trust me, it's not impossible. When you have the right kind of information and when you know how to do it, you can help protect your children.
Thank you. Could you introduce yourself? Tell something about Indian Mental Health Summit.
Okay, my name is Samindara Sawant. I'm co-founder of Disha Counseling Center and resource room head at Bhaktivedanta Swami Mission School. I'm very happy to be part of the Indian Mental Health Summit, which is a one of its kind effort that has been made to bring psychologists together to give and take and share knowledge. And wishing all the best to IMHS, many more to come.
So how was the experience?
It's been a wonderful experience. This is the third one and I have attended all three of them. And Pritha and IMHS make sure to always bring together the best panelists, well curated topics, and it's really a learning experience.
Thank you. Could you introduce yourself for our reader? Tell something about the Indian Mental Health Summit, your experience.
Hi, my name is Anju Kish. I'm a sexuality educator and founder of Untaboo, and I'm here at this Indian Mental Health Summit. I'm here, this is my second year here, and I was on the panel of destigmatizing sex education and how to incorporate into schools.
So what was your topic and how you get the response? What are you counseling to the audience?
Well, my topic was, my main purpose for this panel was to tell the audience to remove the taboos associated with sex education and how it can be incorporated into the schools, into our homes. Because what happens is, when we are not breaking the silence on sex education because we are uncomfortable, what we are doing is we are prioritizing our comfort and not the safety of the child. So please do think about that and start these conversations early.
Do you think sex education is very important for our generation? It's a need of ours.
It's absolutely the need of the hour. And do not fear the term sex education, because sex education is not talking just about sex. It's talking about the child's safety. Safe touch, unsafe touch, puberty. This is sex education, and every child needs to understand their body and they need to know the right information so that they can take informed decisions, responsible decisions.
And what is your experience and your view about Indian Mental Health Summit organizer Parita and her team?
I think the Indian Mental Health Organization doing is a fantastic job, because it is summits like these which bring together a whole lot of experts together, whether they are mental health experts, whether they are child safety experts, child sex ed experts. Bring them all together, have conversations on what are the problems being faced and how practical, with very practical tips, we can bring about a change. So I think it's a fantastic summit.